Welcome to the cabinet of doll curios, where you will find creations of horror, beauty and the perfectly imperfect. Enjoy. As usual, I'm just removing the hair from inside of the doll's head, and then I'm going in with 100% acetone to remove the factory makeup. I thought I'd get the Super Sculpey out again to make pointy vampire ears. Super Sculpey's great. It bakes into like a plastic, just 15 minutes in the oven, and it produces some really good results. I'm so glad I found out about this stuff. Thank you, Anthony from Ace of Clay. I didn't film the making of the vampire teeth simply because it's just Super Sculpey, rolled into a little point, baked and then stuck onto the lips. As you can see, the ears are now on, the head's painted white, and I'm just going in with the blushing to give shadows, 3D effect and real dimension to the piece. I'll also do this to the body as well. Watch to the end, as there's a little micro video at the end with a little story for this vampire. I hope you like it. After spraying my finished layers of work with Mr. Super Clear, it's time for Derwent Inktense watercolour pencils for the details. As rerouting hair often gives it some fullness. For my vampire, I didn't want it like that. I wanted it quite flat and flowing. So again, I'm just gluing down wefts of this lovely Saran hair ready to put on the head. I've just added some plaits for a little design feature. Took a while. The plaits are about 3mm thick and about 20cm long. So yeah, but it's worth it, I think. I think they look so nice. I'm just showing you here the dress I actually ordered from Etsy. It was a little bit long for what I really wanted it for, as I realised that you couldn't really see the stand where she was standing on the plinth, and there's detail on there as well, so I went in with my scissors, a bit reluctantly, but I'm so glad I did, and shortened the dress, added a few different touches to it to just really make it my own, and I think it works out great. As my vampire doll is inspired by Bram Stoker's Dracula, a scene from the book actually is set in Whitby after he stayed there on a holiday. And I love Whitby, been to there quite a few times. So here I am just mixing up some soil, well, some sand, and then I'm going to paint it more of a beachy sand colour, and she's going to be standing at the edge of the waves waiting for her master. I did my little trick again with the super glue and normal glue. Again, this is something I've discovered. It probably is done obviously 1,000 other places, but I haven't seen it done there. But as advised, please follow the manufacturer's instructions only. And here she is.
To my love, it seems an age since my longing eyes feasted upon your words. Your previous letters are all but worn by my constant reading of them, but I now have every word engraved on my heart, so they are always with me, so you are always with me. By the time you receive this letter, which I have to believe you will receive, I will have spent countless nights on the shores of Whitby, waiting. I heard a voice in my head, only a whisper, but it called to me, and it gets clearer with each passing night. It already feels like an eternity I have spent listening to the rolling waves, and as the sun sleeps, I awaken with the stars, and like 1,000 eyes we look out for you. I feel you getting nearer. I beg of you to not be mad, my love, but my veins are void of red. I no longer lust for blood, as my longing for you consumes me entirely. I hope you will grace these sands soon, so I can feed upon your very presence, as I know that alone will sustain me for all of time. Soon, my darling, I know I will see you again, yours eternally, with a love that never dies, your love.